Every year, the Inverness Backcountry Snowsports Club runs a unique ski touring and telemark meet at the Loch Ossian Youth Hostel, accessed by train from Corrour. But folk are always asking, what's it actually like to ski from Corrour Train Station in late January? Well, the first thing is, there might not be much snow at the train tracks, but it doesn't need much snow lower down for there to be plenty higher up. Secondly, there can be lots of wind, but that's just what you need to get the snow in the right places.
Whoop, whoop. Keep it going.
You have to be willing to suffer a bit, and a good dose of optimism helps a lot.
Check out that view.
But if you don't mind not seeing where you're going sometimes, excellent terrain, beautiful skiing, and wilderness feel, it's just wonderful. Apart from the train station, it looks and feels a lot more like Iceland than the classic scene from Trainspine. And whilst the drying facilities aren't uber modern, and the visibility might be poor, if you get a reasonably good dump of snow, on a strong westerly wind, the broad ridge of Liam provides as good skiing as you'll find anywhere.
That's good, I like that. Best one of the day, yeah.
There is no phone signal anywhere around.
This is Theft Mac to the Don, are you reading me over?
So if you go, try and bring the club radios. And be ready for a lot of nonsense chat.
This is Theft Mac and Mike Cawthorne about to get rad on Liam.
Heather makes a good base for a thin snowpack, and easily makes up for the fact that it's not actually snow by making the terrain visible when you can't see anything otherwise.
Oh, it's so nice, huh? Man alive, that's just such great skiing.
And then every once in a while you get one of those days when the snow is good, the sun's coming in and out, visibility's alright, and it takes your breath away. So if you haven't skied the train yet, recommend you give it a go.